Do you want to film yourself talking to your DJI Neo, but perhaps you want to make it quick and easy, or you want the absolute best sound quality possible? I've got a bonus tip to share with you towards the end of the video. I've made over 500 videos now, and I've used various cameras, drones, and microphones. And in this video, I'm going to share with you the 3 ways to record audio with your DJI Neo. What you need to do is open up the DJI Fly app and then go and connect to your drone. Just connecting via mobile device, we're not using a controller here. Once you've connected to your DJI Neo, make sure you go and tap the icon on screen to enable sound recording. If you start recording video, you can't turn it on mid-flight or mid-recording. So we're going to tap this. Another really important thing is that while you're recording audio, you can't close the app or turn off your phone if you want to keep recording audio. So we'll just tap OK, and then we'll go take off, and we'll go hit record to start recording video. So this is what it sounds like with the audio being recorded from the microphone inside my phone. Of course, while you're doing this, you're going to want to keep your phone fairly close to your face. Otherwise, it's not going to pick up the sound very well. For example, if you put your phone in your pocket or a backpack while you're recording, it's not going to really be able to pick up the audio very well. So now you've got the video file stored on the drone, but the audio stored inside the Fly app on your phone. The Fly app makes it really easy to merge those two things together into a single video file. To do that, what you need to do is tap on album, make sure you're connected to the drone. If you want to select multiple items, you can tap at the top there, but in this case, we're just going to tap on this first one, and then we're going to tap at the bottom right to download the video file from the drone onto the phone. So I'm going to tap full download, and then it's going to use the wireless connection to download that to the phone. And you can see at the bottom right here, this is the status indicator telling us what's happening. And once the video has been transferred from the drone to the phone, it's going to merge the audio and video together, and then it's going to save that single video file to your Photos app or your camera roll, whatever phone you're using. The clever thing about this, as part of the processing, it's actually going to apply noise reduction or noise cancelling to try and remove the sound of the drone propellers. All right, that's almost done. So if we head to my Photos app now, we've now got the video with the audio combined. All right, I'm going to switch over now to the audio. All right, on to method 2, and that's to use some kind of Bluetooth wireless microphone connected to your phone. In this case, I'm using the DJI Mic 2 transmitter. So you're going to want to turn on your DJI Mic 2, and if you don't see this connection light blinking slowly blue, hold down the record button for a few seconds, then hold down this linking button until it flashes quickly blue, and then in the phone just tap DJI Mic 2 to connect. Let me show you what this sounds like. It's going to follow the exact same process as before in terms of the app and downloading and merging the video and audio files. It's just this time the audio is going to come from this microphone and not the phone's microphone. Yes, I am holding this microphone in the shot. Hopefully that doesn't trigger you. What you're hearing now is the audio from the DJI Mic 2 transmitter being transferred wirelessly via Bluetooth to the phone. Method 3 is a little bit more involved, but it has the potential to give us the absolute best sound quality possible. And that's to, once again, use DJI Mic 2, but actually use the internal recording feature of this transmitter to record the audio separately inside this transmitter and then sync them up in post. There's a couple of different ways you can do that. You can just perform a clap sync, so clap where your drone can see it, and then manually line the audio file from this thing to the drone video. Or if you want to make it a tiny bit easier, once again, we record the audio from the microphone on the phone. We record internally to this, and then all we need to do is bring the video file from this and also the audio file internally from the microphone together and use the automatic syncing function of whatever video editing software you're using. All good video editing software will have the feature to align via waveform. We've also got that bonus tip coming up in just a second. So let's go and switch over from the phone's microphone that has that automatic noise cancelling over to the internal audio from the DJI Mic 2 transmitter. And straight away you can hear the sound of the drone propellers is pretty bad, and that's where the bonus tip I mentioned earlier comes into play. You can use various features in your editing software, but the amazing voice isolator in DaVinci Resolve makes the audio go from what you're hearing now to this amazingly clean audio where we can't even really hear the sound of the propellers, we can just hear the sound of my voice. Please subscribe, I've got loads more DJI Neo tutorials coming. I'm Jason Roberts, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.